Hey Siri, unlock the door. Hey guys, Lawrence here. I'm going to talk to you today about installing this August Smart Lock Pro. It's a great option for if you can't actually change out your lock, since it just goes over the back of an existing one. It gives you smart lock functionality without having to rekey. So today I'm going to go over some of the details of installing it and setting up the app. All you need to install it is a little bit of masking tape, which is actually included in the kit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. I have a cordless one here to make it go a little bit faster. Now we're going to set up the lock in the August app. You're going to set up a new device, set up a smart lock, and then pick which kind of smart lock you have and click continue through the next few screens and then scan for your new lock. Once the app finds your new lock, it's going to allow you to name it and add it and register it to your home. After it registers it to your house, it's going to then ask you to calibrate the lock. And it does this by telling you to manually lock and unlock the lock and then tell the app when it is in each position. This helps ensure the proper functioning of the lock. After calibration, it's going to ask if you want to enable Apple HomeKit. This is not a necessity, but it is a nice to have and allows you to use Siri to lock and unlock the door. And basically, to set up the Apple HomeKit, you'll pop off the back faceplate of the lock, which is just held on by magnets, and there's a QR code on the inside of it that you scan with the app, and it will automatically set it up for you. After the Apple HomeKit setup, it's then going to ask if you want to set up Connect, which is also known as the Wi-Fi bridge. This again is not a necessity, but it is a nice to have, so you can lock and unlock the lock via Wi-Fi anywhere in the world you have an internet connection. Now it's important to note this only works over a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, and you basically just connect it to your home Wi-Fi network as you see on the screen here. Once it finds it and it connects, it's going to run through a few checks and you can confirm that it's the right Wi-Fi network. And so after it connects, it's going to do some additional connectivity tests. And I actually ran into a little problem with some of these connectivity tests, and I had to retest a couple of times before the lock would work. But after the retest and getting the congratulations screen, the lock has worked great. So anyways, guys, I hope you found this video useful and you're having a lot of fun using your new smart lock.